She might like your look. She might love your texts. She might even flirt, laugh, and say she feels so comfortable around you. But none of that means she'll let herself fall for you. Why? Because liking someone is easy. Feeling safe enough to love them, that's different. And unless a woman feels that kind of emotional safety with you, her heart won't open, no matter how strong the chemistry is. In this episode, I'll break down exactly what it means to create a space where she doesn't just enjoy your company, she feels safe to be seen in it. So many guys focus on attraction, the banter, the flirt, the chase, and that's important. But if your goal is real connection, you need to build something even more powerful. Safety. Not the boring kind, not the "you're like a brother to me" kind, but the kind that makes her body exhale. The kind that makes you let you in. This episode will help you understand what emotional safety looks like from her POV, learn how to build it through consistency and emotional intelligence, avoid common red flag behaviors most guys don't even realize they're doing, hear how one man made me feel more safe than anyone I had ever dated, and why that changed everything. I met this guy, let's call him Alex, through a mutual friend. At first, I wasn't sure. He was quiet, kind, a little reserved. Not the guy who lit up the room, but the one who noticed when someone else needed a moment of light. We talked a few times, casual stuff. Then one night, I opened up about something vulnerable. Not on purpose, it just happened. I was talking about a family situation, something that usually makes people awkward. But he didn't try to fix it. He didn't make a joke to lighten it. He just said, "That sounds like it hurt. You've carried that well." And in that moment, I felt seen, not judged. I felt held without being held too tight. That was the moment I started falling. Not because he chased me, but because he held space for my full self. That's emotional attraction. Psychology insight number 1, the nervous system check. Here's something most people don't realize. When a woman is around you, her nervous system is scanning for cues constantly. Is he stable? Is he reactive? Can I say what I mean without backlash? Will he listen or interrupt? If I'm quiet, will he panic? Emotional safety isn't just emotional, it's biological. When you consistently give off calm, grounded, non-judgmental energy, her body registers, "I'm safe here." And when she feels that in her body, her heart starts to open. Signs a woman feels safe with you. She shares small things she usually hides, laughs in a relaxed, unfiltered way, stops apologizing for her emotions, checks in with you, not just the other way around, talks about her past without downplaying it. If you're seeing any of these signs, you're on the right path. What breaks the safety, even when attraction is high? Most guys don't mean to create insecurity, but here's what women interpret as unsafe: inconsistency. If you're warm one day and distant the next, she starts self-monitoring. That drains her. Joking about her insecurities, even in fun, trust me, she remembers. Rushing her emotions. If she opens up and you say, "It's not a big deal," or "You're overthinking," it closes her down. Oversharing too fast. This one's sneaky. If you spill your trauma in week 1, you may think it builds trust, but it can feel emotionally chaotic to her. How to build safety without losing mystery. Safety isn't about softening your masculinity, it's about integrating it with emotional maturity. Number 1, be grounded, not controlling. Let her have her emotional space. Don't try to direct her mood or force closeness. 2, reflective listening. Example, her, work's been draining lately. You, sounds like it's been one thing after another. Has it been like that for a while? Simple, reflective, no fixing, just witnessing. Number 3, respect her boundaries immediately. If she says, I don't want to talk about that yet, you say, no worries, I'm here when you're ready. Respect without resentment is powerfully attractive. Number 4, stay emotionally consistent. Don't oscillate between hot and cold. Your calm energy is what lets her emotions breathe. And when she trusts that you're emotionally safe, she stops holding back. Psychology insight number 2, the slow burn effect. In dating, fast attraction is often superficial, but emotional safety leads to the slow burn, the kind that lasts. Research shows that deep, meaningful connections form through consistent emotional presence, mutual vulnerability, and shared positive experiences, not just trauma bonding. That slow burn is what turns I like him into I trust him with my heart. Here's what it feels like when a woman feels safe with a man. She can be in a bad mood and not feel guilty. She can say, I need space, without worrying you'll disappear. She can cry, laugh, vent, or be silent and still feel held. And that kind of safety, that's where love grows. That's where loyalty forms. Not out of fear of losing you, but out of the joy of being able to be herself with you. What's one moment in your life where you felt emotionally safe with someone? Or when did you realize someone wasn't safe, even if the attraction was there? Drop your story below. It's the kind of thing others will relate to more than you think. Next episode is the one a lot of guys secretly want, but few ask for directly. How to turn casual flirting into a real relationship. Because at some point, you don't just want another situationship. You want something real. And I'm going to show you how to get there without forcing it.